Everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good and fine at home. So today we are going to learn about algebraic expression and identities. So first of all, I want to describe about algebraic. Do you know what is algebraic? Algebraic. It is a term which is derived from algebra. And what is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics dealing with symbols and the rules for manipulating those symbols. So in algebra, you can take some letters x, y, a, b, c. So these are variables. So in this chapter, you will see many letters like x, y, z. So these letters are from algebra. Because in algebra, you have to deal with symbols and with the operations of mathematical operations. And what are operations? Plus, it is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So you have to use these operations over there. And now what is expression? Expression is, it is a type of to express algebraic letters or their equation or like suppose that you have a numeric expression. Expression means how can you express? Suppose that there is 2, 4 plus 1. So these are numbers. So it is a numeric expression. So for algebraic expression, you have to include at least one letter or two letter in this equation, in this expression. So now I can write here 4x plus y. So it is a algebraic expression. And suppose that here is a 4x. Okay, 4x. It is also expression. And now I can write here equal to. So now it becomes a equation because we use here equal sign. So it becomes a equation. And apart from this, if we can write here 4x only, so 4x is a algebraic expression. So now we will talk about term. So what is term in algebraic expression? So my dear students, we take here 4x. So it is a term of this expression. And suppose that we write here 4x plus 2. So it is a first term of this expression and it is also a term. So both are term. And how can you consider that these are two terms, not a single term? Because both terms are separated by a operation, by a sign. So it is first term and it is second term. You can write over there minus 3y. So it is also separated by another subtraction. It is operation. So it is separated by from 2 by subtraction. So it is a third term. So you consider, you understood what is term. Next is, what is totally algebraic expression? So in words, you can say that algebraic expression is a combination of variables. The value of variables can vary, means the value of variables can be it's 1, 2, 3 and so on according to situation, according to equation. So algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constant terms which are connected by mathematical operations. These are mathematical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So like you have another example, suppose that you have 3x plus 2. So here 3x is a term and 2 is a term. So in this expression you have two terms, 3x and 2. Both are separated by addition operation. So here you have to find, suppose that, factors. Firstly factors. So what is factors? So in this term 3x there is two factors, which is 3 and x, and here is only one factor, 2, or you can write here 1. 2 ones are 2. So you understood what is factor? And in 4x there is two factors, 4 and x. Both are in multiplication. But now it is a constant because value of 3 is constant. It becomes it remains only 3 in any situation. But it is a variable. Means the value of x can be varied according to situation or according to expression, according to equation. And 2 is also a constant. So let's take another example. Suppose that we have 4y plus 3x plus 1. Or you can write here 4yz. So now factors of this term is 4, y and z. So three factors in this term, and it is second term because it is separated by 4z by addition, and it is third term, it is separated by again addition. So factor of 3x is 3 and x, and here is 1, so factor of 1 is 1. So you understood what is factors and what is term. And you know 4 is constant in this term. 4 is constant. Y and z and x are variables, and 3, 1 and 4 are constant. These are numbers, so these are constant. Okay. Now what is monomial? What is monomial, binomial and trinomial and polynomial? Just a minute before, you have seen here that here is one term and here is two term, and in this expression 1, 2, 3 terms. The all terms are separated by some operations, whether it can be addition or it can be subtraction. Suppose that 8x plus y minus 2z. So this expression has three terms. First term, second term over there, it is separated by addition, and it is third term separated by subtraction. So now what is monomial? Monomial is a type of algebraic expression which has only one term. Okay. If you have an algebraic expression that has only one term, so it is monomial. For example, you can write over there. Suppose that you have a expression, algebraic expression 5xy. So it has only one term, so it is a monomial. You can write over there 2x square y. So it is a power. So you can write here 2x square y. So it is a single term. Means it is a monomial. And what is binomial? If an algebraic expression has two terms, so it is that expression is binomial. Means if an algebraic expression has two terms, suppose that 4x plus 1, 4x is a term and 1 is another term, so it has two terms, so it is binomial. And next is 3xy plus 4z. So again 3xy is first term and second term is 4z, and both terms are separated by addition. Next is trinomial. Trinomial means if an algebraic expression having three terms. So these are called trinomials. Tri means three. Three terms. Suppose that you have 2x plus 4y minus 2. So please look carefully. 2x plus 4y. 4y is second term because it is separated by addition, and 2 is third term. So this algebraic expression has 1, 2 and 3 terms. You can write over there. Another example is 5z minus 2x minus 3y. So 1, 2, 3. This expression also has 3 terms. Now it's time to polynomial. What is polynomial? You cannot write here that polynomial has 4 terms. No. Actually, monomial, binomial, trinomial all are polynomials, because if an algebraic expression has 1 or 2 or 3 or more than 3 terms, so that algebraic expression is called a polynomial. So in polynomial, the number of terms can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and more than 4. Okay? So you can write here more than 3 terms or 1 or more terms. You can write here any number of terms. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on.